We need to assemble. Excavator. You're doing really great. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Choose a tool that will help overcome the obstacle. Tap on a suitable tool. We did it! Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to... Choose the next game. Let's rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. That's all.